Right, in this video, I'm going to quickly review how to translate verbal expressions. So when I say translate verbal expressions, I mean that you're given the expression in words and you need to change it into terms. This says 3 less than the product of m and n. Now you need to know that product means multiplication and less than means subtraction. But when it's less than, you actually want to switch the order. This part of the expression would come first. You want to start with the product of m and n, which is m times n. But I want 3 less than that. So I want the product, but I want less than that by 3. So I'm going to subtract 3. The next says a half of the sum of h and m. So this is a half of the sum. So you want to find the sum of h and m, which you need to know is adding. But you want a half of this. So you want to take this and you want to multiply it by a half. So that would be a half the sum of h plus m. Next, Jill has completed 4 more than twice as many problems as Gianna. Write expressions to represent how many problems each student has completed. Well, when we get to things like this, I like to start by saying, who am I building off of? Jill has completed 4 more than twice as many problems as Gianna. So they're comparing Jill to Gianna. So we're going to make Gianna X because we're building off of Gianna. So I'm going to say Gianna will be X. Jill completed 4 more than twice as many problems as Gianna. So Jill is 4 more than twice as many problems as Gianna. Well, if this is Gianna, twice as many as Gianna would be multiplying Gianna's by 2. And then 4 more than that would mean I'd have to add 4 on at the end. Write an expression to show how many more, okay, that's subtraction, how many more problems Jill completed. Well, Jill completed 2x plus 4 problems. Gianna completed x problems, which is really just like 1x problems, right? So how many more did Jill complete? Jill completed 1x plus 4 more. Or you could just write x plus 4. It wouldn't be wrong to write 1x plus 4, but we really don't write a coefficient of 1. So you got to get used to seeing that without the 1. Okay, last problem. Sean biked 1 less than double the amount of miles that Harlan biked. Write expressions to represent how far each boy biked. Now, Sean biked 1 less than double the amount of miles that Harlan biked. Who are we building off of? We're building off of Harlan to explain Sean. So Harlan is going to have to be X. Sean biked 1 less than, ooh, there's that less than again, double the amount of miles that Harlan biked. So when we do Sean, we want 1 less than, now less than we do at the end, double the amount of miles that Harlan biked. So if I want to double this, I'm going to multiply it by 2. But I want 1 less than that. So I'm going to subtract 1 at the end. Next it said, write an expression to represent how many miles the boys biked all together. Now all together means I'm going to take the boys' miles and I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to get 3x minus 1. All right, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any more questions.